welcome back, everybody. Welcome with Cooking with Chef Puff, all right, aka Dave. All right, I have done a video with the stuffed chicken breast with mozzarella cheese and the sous vide. All right, I have a couple left over. So what I'm going to do, I am going to use some cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken soup or whatever you like. All right, and I'm gonna make this over some rice also too. All right, so, but actually, I think I'm only going to need one can. Yeah, I'm only gonna need one can. All right, I'm gonna add a little water to it. All right, add a little water to it. All right, just move it around. Move it around. There we go. All right, so might not look pretty now, the soup and everything else, but she's gonna taste fantastic. All right, so, and when I cook it, I'm gonna cook it in the oven about 350 degrees. I can't give you a time on it. I'll just keep checking it, and the soup is gonna get like a liquid state where I can actually, you know, spoon it and pour on top of the stuffed sous vide stuffed chicken breast with mozzarella cheese. So that's it for now, and I'll be back later on with the rest of the video. Back, everybody. All right, here's the stuffed chicken breast, sous vide stuffed chicken breast, mozzarella cheese, and I also added 1 can of mushroom soup and a little bit of water. I have the oven set at 350 degrees. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cover them, and I'm going to place them in the oven. I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour. All right, but it's not going to take no 1 hour. All right. So when the soup gets nice and hot and, you know, basically bubbly, that's when I'll start basting, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, everybody. All right, I then took the stuffed chicken breast out of the oven, and the mushroom soup is doing very well. All right. Just gonna baste them a little bit. All right. Get them nice and coated. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take them, I'm not gonna put the foil back on them. All right. So, right now, okay, done with that. All right, right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them back in the oven, uncovered, until they are done. And all right, I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, I'm going to turn this, turn the oven off. And let me get this chicken out. All right. There it is. All right. All right. So, dinner is basically ready. All right. Chicken breasts, they already been cooked. All right. So, what I did tonight, this is the leftovers, because I had made 10 what you call it, chicken breast, stuffed chicken breast, sous vide stuffed chicken breast. Yesterday I had 10 of them, and this is the leftovers here. And now what I did is that here was the leftover rice. It's very little bit, and half. I have steamed broccoli and rice, and this is gonna make a perfect dinner tonight. All right, so thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna give a shout out to 2 of my nephews that told me to change my name to Chef Puff. So I changed my name to Chef Puff. So if you see Chef Puff, it's basically Cooking with Dave. All right, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and God bless you and have a good night.